Starting with our lash map, we're going to mark the center of the iris first so we know where the center of our map is. Then I've marked on our lid where the highest peak of our eye is because I actually need to go shorter there because we don't want to emphasize. What we want to emphasize is this section here. That's where the eye starts to droop down. So we want to take our length from here to here and then go shorter there to give the illusion that the eye is elongated and more balanced with this higher peak. Using our Sinful Lashes hydrogel pads, we place them below the waterline. For clients with oily skin, in addition, we will use our paper tape to keep the pads from sliding around. We make an X, placing the tape below the waterline and extending it to beyond both sides of the eye pad to keep it in place. Once we get both pieces of tape on, we will adjust the outer corner to make sure the client is comfortable. Next, we're going to prep the natural lashes using our Sinful Lashes Ready, Set, Go Primer. This amazing product does three things. The first is that it removes the excess oil from the natural lashes, ensuring a stronger bond. Next, it regulates humidity on the lash line, so if you have low humidity, it will speed it up. If you have high humidity, it slows it down. Next, it helps with the bonding process, so it ensures a stronger bond with longer retention. Using 2 lipstick wands, 1 drop per eye, go through the natural lashes and make sure that the product got throughout the entire lash line. Next, we're going to use our Sinful Lashes flat lashes to create the base of our hybrid set. We love them because they create dark density without any strain to the natural lashes. A 0.20 flat lash weighs more like a 0.12 classic lash but looks more like a 0.25 classic lash. A 0.15 flat lash weighs more like a 0.07 classic lash but looks more like a 0.18. Flat lashes have great retention if they have proper placement. Dip your flat lashes into the adhesive and place directly on the top or directly underneath the natural lash so they snap on, and then they'll wear throughout the lifetime of the natural lash and will have long retention. To fill in the base of our hybrid set, we're going to use our Sinful Volume Lashes in 0.05. We've customized our lashes to be a deep black, super matte, and fan like butter. Now, using one of our Sinful Lashes technique that we train with, we use our ginger tweezer and pick up the desired amount of lashes off the strip, placing them back down on the strip and going in at a straight angle with our tweezer, shimmying them back and forth to pop the fan open, and then using the tip of the tweezer, we adjust the fan to make it perfect. Now, using our tweezers, we go in at a straight angle parallel to the fan, hitting the back of the fan first, then with firm pressure, closing the fan, pick it up at a 45-degree angle, dip it in our fan perfecting cup, and we're ready to place. And there you have your perfect fan. Now, because we've used our Sinful Lashes Ready, Set, Go Primer, our fans just attach instantaneously. So after making your fan, dipping it into the adhesive, we're going to wrap that fan around the next natural lash by placing it underneath and pulling it up slightly to make sure that we get a good wrap. But because the bond is instantaneously, it will have amazing retention. Then we're going to brush through to make sure that everything's attached properly and then go to the next step. The final step in the lashing process is to use our fantastic locked and loaded bonder. It will not only instantly cure your adhesive so that your clients can get their natural lashes wet immediately after the lashing process, but keeps the base flexible and stop it from becoming brittle and popping off. In essence, giving your clients the best retention on the market. We're going to use 2 micro brushes and 1 drop per eye going across the lash line to make sure that it's coated but not saturated. A little goes a long way. Then we're going to use our mini fan and dry our full set so we show our clients their lashes in their best light. Next, we're going to use a tweezer and go through just to make sure that we don't have anything sticking in the lash line. We have no stickies, to make sure that everything's perfect. Give it one more dry, and then we're ready to show the client her beautiful full set. And that's creating a hybrid set from beginning to end using Sinful Lashes products. Thank you for watching, and all products can be found at sinfullashes.com.